And a very pleasant good morning. It is Tuesday, August 6th. Time to get up and go with the weather information you need to know. It is Wake Up Whiteboard Weather, brought to you by my friends at WetGo. The sun came up at 6:22 this morning, so about 38 minutes ago, and you can see we have some nice sunshine, at least in my location, hopefully in yours as well. As I look to the sky, just nothing but fair skies overhead right now. It actually feels not too shabby outside right now. Temperatures in the mid 60s with dew points a couple of degrees cooler in that low to mid 60 degree range. Hope you're off to a great start this morning. It's going to be a little more unsettled the next couple of days than it has been the last couple of days, although some of us, or some of you, did see some rain yesterday. It was actually one of the few days we've had measurable rain in the last 2 weeks, and that's my on-the-go note for this morning that I'll have for you in just a couple of minutes. Myself, quite honestly, it was difficult to get out of bed today, and the reason being, and if you were tuned in yesterday for the 3 o'clock whiteboard weather segment, my apologies, I had some connection issues, but I was out at Ohio State Park, and I took my wife and my sons on a 7.5-mile whitewater rafting adventure. So this morning, I'm more than a little sore here, and almost everywhere. So it'll get better. I'm not asking for your sympathy, but I'm just being straight up honest. I'm sore this morning. Anyway, it is, as I said, August the 6th. It is National Fresh Breath Day today, so don't forget to use the mouthwash today. Maybe grab a Tic Tac or two. It is National Root Beer Float Day, and it is National Night Out Day today, promoting police and community partnerships in your neighborhood. So don't remember to sort of recognize National Night Out Day today. Born on this day, some very notable people. Lucille Ball was born on this day today. Andy Warhol, very famous Pittsburgher. He was Andy Warhola, but he was born on this day. So happy birthday, rest in peace, Andy Warhol. And new Pittsburgh Steeler today. If you're going to Steelers training camp this afternoon, don't forget to wish Dante Moncrief a happy birthday. If you don't know who Dante Moncrief is, I have a sneaky suspicion that you will before the season is through. From what I understand, he's having a pretty good camp, and he's going to replace some of the production that Antonio Brown left when he went away. Traffic today, Parkway East, West, North, some delays, 2 light delay to the McKees Rocks Bridge, and if you have allergies, once again today, ragweeds are running in a moderate range. It's been that way for the better part of the last week. Let us head to the whiteboard. You can see it right there behind me. I'll flip it around so you can read it a little better. So again, good morning, everybody. We'll start with some current conditions. It is 67 right now. Wind is calm, so it is very pleasant outside, at least with just nothing more than a really light breeze. Dew point at 64 right now. Here's your breakdown of the day. As always, again, we are sponsored by my good friends at WetGo. You can head out to them and pick up that showroom car wash with all those bells and whistles that include the wax, the undercarriage, the all-weather finish. It is a really good car wash, and head out to WetGo and get your ride shined up. Here's the breakdown today. 68 and fair skies at 8 a.m. Noon. 79 degrees, partly sunny skies, so we're dry this morning. I think after 3 o'clock this afternoon is when we'll see a few scattered thunder showers. 84 degrees at 4 o'clock. And I think the main threat, like yesterday, will be potentially a heavier downpour of rain, but no severe weather is anticipated other than a heavy downpour of rain. As I mentioned, it's been a fairly dry stretch over the last 2 weeks. 11, now this is officially, 11 of the last 14 days we have not had measurable rain. So only 3 of the last 14 days have had measurable rain. One of those days was yesterday, officially. I can see Gregory, you're leaving for Myrtle Beach. North Myrtle on Friday should have good smooth sailing travel conditions, as we're going to get into a really pleasant weather pattern, not only here but all across the East Coast later in the week, with some cooler and drier conditions. As I said yesterday, if you're looking ahead to next weekend, it's going to be dry and comfortable. So that is what I have for you today in terms of the weather, biofreeze, Epsom salts, yes, all of the above. It's good. It's good to be sore. That means I worked muscles that I normally don't work. So there you go. But as I said before, it's National Fresh Breath Day today. So my final little nugget for you today as you head out the door is about Tic Tacs. They were first introduced in 1969. They were first introduced under the name Refreshing Mints, and then they changed the name to Tic Tacs in 1970 after someone discovered and brought it to the attention of the marketing people, I'm sure, of the distinctive sound that they make rattling in the container, and that's when they changed the name to Tic Tacs, which, by the way, are mostly manufactured in Cork, Ireland. So it's a good chance your Tic Tacs come from Ireland. Oh, top of the morning to you today. They come from Ireland. All right. I'm going to head in and soak my sore muscles, have myself a little breakfast. I will see you today as per normal at 3 o'clock. I will be in a good location to get a signal out today. Have yourself a big truck going by. Have yourself an outstanding day. I'll see you at 3 o'clock. Peace. Have a great day.